I'm Jack. Today we're taking an exclusive cinematic tour inside the advanced F-35B Lightning II production facility.
The caliper shows 45.2.
Okay, logging that now.
Yeah.
Looks good.
Okay, now let's check the alignment.
Right.
Looks good. Secure it.
Crane operator, this is ground. We are clear for descent. Bring it down slowly, watching pin alignment on the far side.
The stress test is complete, but I'm showing amber on the nozzle vectoring.
Wait, it just flipped to green. We have a confirmed pass.
Did you get the main connector seated?
Yeah, heard the click. Moving to the clamps now.
Rail alignment is within spec. See the readout?
Yep, section 4 is clear. Move to the next segment.
I'm getting a fault code here on the main assembly.
Yes, I see that. Cross-reference it with the previous batch and note the discrepancy.
I've got the P3 connector lined up.
Hold on, the blueprint indicates P4 right here.
Did you secure the P4 connector on the starboard side?
Yes, torque is set. I'm moving to the auxiliary loom now.
Are the pressure readings stabilizing in the bypass?
Yes, they look good.
The system check is complete and nominal.